Welcome to DHG's guide on understanding repair negotiations during a home sale, whether you're a buyer or a seller. After a home inspection, both buyers and sellers have options. Offer a credit, arrange repairs, or negotiate further. For repairs that could delay closing or are significant in cost, offering a credit might be the best option. Sellers avoid managing the repair, and buyers get the flexibility to handle it their way. Sometimes repairs need to be made before closing, especially for issues that impact the safety or livability of the home. Sellers can ensure the repair is done correctly, while buyers gain peace of mind. Not every repair request needs to be met. Sellers can decline cosmetic or excessive requests, especially in a competitive market. Buyers should focus on essential repairs and be prepared to negotiate. If demands are unrealistic, either party might need to walk away. Buyers and sellers should both be prepared to move on if the negotiation isn't working. Both buyers and sellers should keep the big picture in mind. Balancing repair costs with overall goals, like closing on time or securing a tax benefit, helps keep negotiations rational and productive. At DHG, we're here to guide you through every step of the buying and selling process, including repair negotiations. Trust us to help you make the right decisions for a successful outcome. Thank you for watching. Let DHG guide you every step of the way.